In this video, I will show you how to set up your Fronius Selectiva charger for the first time. If you connect the charger for the first time to the electrical outlet, it automatically starts in the setup mode. In this mode, basic settings needs to be selected and confirmed, like language, date and time, cable length and cross section, and the battery data. First, connect the electrical plug to the power supply. First, we will take a look at the controls of the charger. We have the up and down button to select between the different options, and with the start-stop button we can confirm our selection. We start with the language settings. As default, English is selected, and in our case we will confirm that. Next, we have the time zone settings. As standard UTC1, Berlin time is selected, and we confirm this. Also, next we have to set the date and time. First, we have the daylight savings time can be set on or off. Then we have the time zone settings for 24 or 12 hours. And after that, we confirm the date and the time. Next, we have to select the correct units. We can choose between the metrical and imperial system. In our case, we want the imperial system. After that, we have to select the correct cable length. From the factory, the correct cable length is selected. A wrong setting can negatively affect the charging process. After that, we have to select the correct cable cross section. Here also the factory settings are already set and should be correct if no changes on the charger applied. A wrong cross section setting can affect the charging process negatively. The charger is usually pre-configured accordingly to the order. If no specific configurations was ordered, the following default values apply. For the battery technology, pvWet is selected. As the charging characteristic, we have the RI charging process with the number 6. For the cell number, the maximum number of allowed cells for the charger are selected. In our case, it's 12 cells, and with a charging time of 7 to 8 hours. After we finished our settings, we confirm them with the start-stop button, and our configurations are set. Once all settings of the charger are confirmed, you can start the charging process. Thank you for watching.